In this video, we're going to be talking about online banking and is it safe? Stick around. Welcome back to Dollars with Dennis. My name's Dennis Dunn, and today we're going to be talking about online banking and is it safe? Well, let me ask you this. If you were getting paid by direct deposit, did you ever have a problem getting your direct deposit if it was put through? No, right? You always got your money. Well, pretty much online banking is the norm nowadays. Okay. So it is safe. All right. And it's also convenient. If you're not using online banking nowadays, you're left back in the dark ages. I can't even remember when I paid for something, a bill with a check. I do everything with online banking. Okay. I pay my credit card bills. I pay my electric bill. I pay my insurance. I pay everything with my online banking. Now, the key with your online banking is to find a bank that gives you online banking at no extra cost. All right. So this way you can transfer money around, you can pay your bills, you can do whatever you need to do without going to the bank. All right. Not only are you saving time, you're saving money because you're not spending money on gas going to the bank, all right, and doing what you need to do. It's the only time I ever go to the bank is if I get a physical check and I got to deposit it, okay? Then I go to the bank. But all my money is done digitally, okay? I get paid, it goes into my account, I pay my bills with my online banking, I put money aside in other accounts automatically with my online banking, all right? Online banking, not only is it safe, but you really need it in this day and age. So, listen, guys, do yourself a favor. All right. If you don't have an online banking account, you need to get one. All right. Don't worry. All right. The money is safe. All right. It's federally insured. All right. And you won't have no problems. So do yourself a favor. Do some research. Find a good bank that has a good online banking system. All right. And start using it. And not only does it make paying your bills easier, your finances easier, it saves you time from traveling to the bank. All right. But it also makes it easier to save money. All right. And speaking about saving money, all right, you guys might want to check out this book, The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. All right, David Bach is a financial advisor and he talks about how to save money automatically through online banking. And believe me, guys, this is a good book. It's available on Amazon. You should check it out. I will leave a link down in the description. So, listen, guys, get with the program, right? Update yourself. Welcome to the digital world. Online banking's the norm. And if you ain't doing online banking, you are going to be left in the dark ages. So, you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and you'll be notified of our next video. And until next time, we'll see you later.